Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to represent the numbers on Abacus. So let's get started. First of all, you have to assign a units place as one of these rods on the Abacus. So I'll take this rod as a central rod. This is my tens place. Units place. This is my tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s and so on. First of all, you need to touch the beats on the answering bar. If you are not aware of the basic terms like answering bar, heaven beats and earth beats, I recommend you to watch my previously uploaded video about the basics of the abacus. So let's take a number 2. This is my units place, 202. See, this is 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. This is my heaven beats, contains the value of 5. This is 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. And for the 10 you have the 0 on the units place, so it's 0, and 1 on the tens place, so this is my 10. And the 10, then this is 12, 11, sorry, this is 12, this is 13, 14 and this is 15. Okay, like so on the counting goes on. Let's take an example. For example, 112. So 1 on the hundreds place, 12, 1 on the tens place and 2 on the units place. So this is my 2. So this is the number 112, and you can do the numbers so on. Another example, 82. So 8 on the tens place, this is 8, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 2 on the units place. This is the number 28 on the abacus, as you can represent the different numbers on abacus. So let's take an example of another number having the number on the thousands place. So I'll take 1228. So this is my 1220 and this is my 8. This is the number 1228 on the abacus. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and hit the like button and share with your friends. The unstoppable cuber is signing off. Thank you.